Let's get started by visiting Send Web To Kindle.xyz. Click Add to Chrome. You'll be redirected to the Chrome Web Store. Click Add to Chrome again to install the extension. Pin the extension, then open it and click Settings. In Step 1, click Amazon Content and Devices. Open the Preferences tab. Scroll down to Send to Kindle Email Settings, then copy your Kindle receiver email address. Go back to the Settings page, paste the email address, and save it. Next, connect your Gmail account and approve the requested permissions. Return to Amazon Content and Devices, open Preferences again, and add the Gmail sender address from Step 3 to your approved personal document email list. Now you're ready to send your first article to Kindle. Open any article and choose Preview and Send Article. Click Extract and wait while the page is processed. Once it's ready, you can download the article as an EPUB file if you'd like an offline copy, or simply click Send to Kindle and wait for the upload to finish. Open your Kindle, refresh your library, and open the newly delivered article. Enjoy a clean reading experience, complete with a fully generated table of contents.